Bill's ranch, house, mansion, something, museum in Pawnee, Oklahoma. And Pawnee Bill was a showman. I don't want to call it a circus, but it was kind of a performance, I guess, kind of trying to immortalize the American West. And there's a little museum dedicated to him. And you can tour his mansion, but they only give guided tours of that. Surprisingly, there's people coming and going out of here all day. Hard to find a quiet time. Anyway, small museum. And, if you're in the neighborhood, check it out, I guess.